Thank you, D-Burke. I can continue to win games, although I am getting a lot of very tough pairings here. I have a chance, maybe. I don't recall D5 being a right move. Wait. Here? Something about this looks wrong. But I don't know what looks wrong, so I can't figure it out. And I'm just going to move and probably lose this game. And of course I missed this too. Yeah, I've just bungled this completely. He blunders this. Wait, now he blunders this? Wait. Well, come on, mouse. Move. Eric's too slow suddenly. What the heck is Eric doing? Very poor from Eric. Very, very poor. Very poor. Very, very poor.